how you can add virtual camera background while recording in Screen Studio. So imagine you don't like your background and you want to change that. This is gonna be working only on Mac OS. In your top menu bar, click on this little icon. Now my Screen Studio is turned on, and down here click on FaceTime HD camera or your camera, and if you click that, go to background. Simply click this, and here you can choose one of these virtual background. So as you can see, my background is changing like this. If you select this area, you can only set the color on one of these, and also you can choose or select one of your own background. So click on this area and you have to click plus and select an image from your computer, and you can set it as a background or virtual background in your Screen Studio. So that's it. If you want to turn it off, again go here and go to your camera and turn off the background, and it should be back to normal. So if you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.